Hi, this is Colleen over at Alpin Haus, and today we're going to be making grilled fillets with bacon and onions on top and a side of salt-baked potatoes on the Weber Genesis. First, we're going to start with the salt-baked potatoes. First, we'll lay down a coating of salt in the pan. Spread out the potatoes the best you can. It's okay if they're touching. Use a coarse salt to cover them. Today I'm using a cast iron pan, but you can use any heat-resistant grill-ready pan. We'll be cooking our potatoes today on indirect heat. The burner next to it will be on a medium heat. The burner under the potatoes is off. We'll be cooking the fillets on the opposite side on high heat. After about 45 minutes, the potatoes will be finished. Next, to prepare the onions and bacon, roughly dice 1 red onion, as well as 4 strips of thick cut bacon. Now we're going to saute them in a pan with a little bit of oil until the onions are translucent. For the fillets, we'll keep it simple. We'll simply pat them dry, add some olive oil, salt and pepper. Be sure to get both sides. Then we'll add them to the grill on high heat. After about 1.5 minutes, we'll do a quarter turn on the steak. In about another 1.5 minutes, we'll flip them. Once you flip the fillets, make sure you reach an internal temperature of 135 for medium rare. With the potatoes, you want to check to make sure that the salt has hardened and formed a crust. Good. It's a simple meal, but it's a really hearty dish to make on your Weber Genesis.